Newton's laws of motion. Newton's first law of motion, law of inertia. Imagine you're sitting in a car that suddenly stops. What happens? You lurch forward, right? That's because your body wants to keep moving forward, following the car's original speed. Newton's first law says that objects at rest, like you in the car, want to stay at rest, and objects in motion, like the car, want to keep moving at the same speed and direction unless something stops them. This is called inertia. So, when the car stops, the seatbelt or airbag helps stop you from moving forward. Newton's second law of motion, law of acceleration. Have you ever pushed a heavy box and a lighter box with the same force? You'll notice that the lighter box moves more easily and accelerates faster. That's because Newton's second law tells us that the acceleration of an object depends on two things: the force applied to it and its mass. The bigger the force you apply, the faster the object accelerates. But if the object is heavier, it requires more force to achieve the same acceleration. So, you need more force to push a heavy object than a light one. Newton's third law of motion, law of action and reaction. Newton's third law says that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Imagine you're standing on a skateboard and you push against a wall with your hands. What happens? The wall pushes back on you with the same force, but in the opposite direction. That's the reaction. This law tells us that any force we apply to an object results in an equal force acting back on us. It's like a push-pull effect happening simultaneously.